Using technology to enhance your lessons is the first step to creating activities that require the students to collaborate and interact with the material in new ways. In this example of a high school American history lesson, the teacher uses differentiated instructional tools to help students gather information and prepare for a debate.
My students and I have been learning about the formation of the United States government. And this week's focus has been on the Federalists and the Anti-Federalists and how each group's views shaped our government. They have some basic background of the two groups from class discussions, and now I'm ready for them to dig deeper and begin to gather information to decide which group they agree with more, and prepare for a debate. Because I have students of different academic levels in my classes, I need to create materials that meet the same instructional goals but are adaptable to the different abilities of my students. I created a Smart Notebook file that I've uploaded to Smart Learning Suite Online so my students have individual access to the materials. On this first slide, the students will watch a video that reviews and dives deeper into the issues between the two groups. Students can also navigate back to the video when they are crafting their arguments later on in the lesson. On the next page is just a quick review of the video with an erase to reveal activity. My lower level students could use this as support for their learning, whereas my upper level classes could use this as a self-check activity. The next page is a copy of a handout that I have used for years. In this case, to save paper, I'm going to hand it out electronically, and students can annotate as they read on their tablets. After reading, students complete a self-assessment that will help them decide which graphic organizer to select. Slide 8 is for those students who need the most support with this concept because it reviews the main elements of both groups. With my lower level classes, I would likely assign groups and have them work on this collaboratively, then have them share their completed graphic organizers with the smartboard from their devices before we move into preparing for the debate. Slides 9 and 10 are the same graphic organizer to prepare students for the debate, but the one on slide 10 has the issues already defined to provide some support to those students who will need it, whereas slide 9 requires students to define the issues independently. There's even a bonus space if they can formulate a fourth issue. Smart Learning Suite Online allowed me to design all of this to be flexible for students to work in groups or individually, and to provide them support not only to learn the material, but begin to formulate their own opinions as well, no matter their education level.